In this video, I'll guide you through how to insert a horizontal line in Google Docs. Even though this is a very simple action, knowing exactly where to find the option and how it behaves in your document can save you time and help your pages look more organized and professional. First, make sure you have Google Docs open in your browser. You can either open an existing document that you want to edit or create a brand new blank document if you just want to practice. Give it a moment to load fully so that all the menus are available at the top of the screen. Now place your cursor where you want the horizontal line to appear. This is important because Google Docs will insert the line exactly at the position of your blinking cursor. If you want the line between two paragraphs, click at the end of the first paragraph and press Enter to create a blank line, then click in that empty space. If you want the line at the top or bottom of the page, just click in that spot in the document before moving on. Once your cursor is in the right place, go to the top menu bar of Google Docs. Look for the word Insert along the top row. It's usually located between View and Format, depending on your screen size and any add-ons you might have. Click on Insert to open the drop-down menu. In the Insert menu, you'll see a list of options you can add to your document, like images, tables, drawings, and more. Scroll down within that menu until you find the option labeled Horizontal Line. It's usually a little further down the list, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Once you see Horizontal Line, click on it. As soon as you click, Google Docs will automatically add a simple horizontal line across the width of your page, right where your cursor was positioned. You don't need to drag or draw anything. The line appears instantly. This line acts like a visual divider, which can be really useful for separating sections, breaking up long content, or adding a clean-looking break before a new topic or heading. After the line is inserted, your cursor will usually appear on the line below it, ready for you to continue typing. If you want to move the line, you can cut and paste the paragraph above or below it to adjust where it sits on the page. If you decide you don't want the line anymore, simply click at the beginning of the line and press backspace or delete on your keyboard, and it will be removed. Keep in mind that this built-in horizontal line has a default style. It's a thin, simple line that stretches across the usable width of the page. In most cases, you can't directly change its thickness or color, but for many documents, the default style works well and keeps things clean and consistent. That's all there is to it. By opening your document, placing your cursor, going to Insert, and choosing Horizontal Line, you can quickly add a professional-looking divider anywhere in your Google Doc.